Today I am AMAZTIM T3 Ultra GPS smartwatch. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The AMAZTIM T3 Ultra GPS smartwatch is a premium wearable designed for those who demand both durability and cutting-edge functionality in a smartwatch. With a solid stainless steel body built to military-grade standards, this watch delivers unmatched toughness while maintaining sleek style. Its Corning Gorilla Glass and Mohs hardness of up to 9H make it resistant to scratches and impacts, while the military-tested design ensures it can withstand extreme conditions like salt spray, rain, and high-pressure environments. For anyone who works outdoors or leads an active lifestyle, this watch is built to endure. One of the standout features of the AMAZTIM T3 Ultra is its advanced 6-satellite positioning system, offering dual-band GPS for lightning-fast location tracking. This system locks your position within seconds, providing accurate navigation whether you're hiking in the mountains or exploring new cities. Along with built-in compass, altitude measurement, and air pressure sensors, it offers a full suite of tools for navigation and outdoor adventures, making it an indispensable companion for explorers and fitness enthusiasts alike. The watch also excels in durability underwater. Rated at 5 ATM waterproof, it can handle immersion up to 50 meters deep, making it ideal for swimming, snorkeling, or simply wearing in the rain without worry. This rugged construction means it is not just a smartwatch, but a robust tool that blends technology with resilience. It is perfect for professionals such as mechanics, outdoor workers, and adventurers who need a watch that works as hard as they do. Battery life on the AMAZTIM T3 Ultra is exceptional. Equipped with a powerful 470 mAh cobalt-based battery and a smart power-saving algorithm, it offers up to 2 weeks of use on a single charge, and in power-saving mode, it can last for over 40 days. This is a major advantage compared to most smartwatches, freeing you from the daily need to recharge while giving you reliable performance over extended periods. The display is another highlight, featuring a 1.43-inch AMOLED screen with vibrant colors, exceptional brightness, and an always-on display mode that keeps your information visible at all times. The clarity and richness of the display make reading notifications, tracking workouts, or navigating menus a joy. Whether under sunlight or in low light, the screen stays sharp and easy to read, offering both elegance and usability. Functionally, the AMAZTIM T3 Ultra offers a rich set of features. It supports Bluetooth calls, so you can answer or make calls directly from your wrist. The AI voice assistant adds convenience, letting you manage tasks, check weather, set alarms, and more without touching your phone. This hands-free interaction streamlines your day, especially when your hands are busy or you are on the move. For health and fitness, this smartwatch delivers comprehensive monitoring. It supports over 170 exercise modes and 6 intelligent sport recognitions to ensure precise tracking of your workouts. Real-time health monitoring includes heart rate, blood oxygen levels, sleep quality, and daily activity tracking, making it a complete fitness companion. Notifications for messages and social media, music control, timers, and access to hundreds of watch faces enhance personalization and convenience. In summary, the AMAZTIM T3 Ultra GPS smartwatch is a perfect blend of strength, performance, and smart features. Its military-grade durability, advanced GPS capabilities, long-lasting battery, crisp AMOLED display, and comprehensive health and communication features make it a smartwatch designed for people who need reliability and innovation in one device. Whether you're an adventurer, athlete, or someone who wants a rugged yet stylish smartwatch, the AMAZTIM T3 Ultra delivers performance you can count on.